Hello everyone. This is the fourth chapter. Okay. In the previous session, we studied about the arithmetic mean. We study direct method. Okay. Direct method. In that, there are three cases. First case for individual observation, second for frequency distribution, third for continuous frequency distribution. Okay. Now, second method. Second method is deviation method. Okay, or we called it as a shortcut method. Shortcut method or assumed mean method. Assumed mean method. Okay, generally we use deviation method. Okay, this is the steps. First, decide A. We called it as a assumed mean. From the observation, we have to decide one assumed mean. We called it as A. Okay, then subtract A from each observation. From each observation, we have to subtract A. That is x minus A. If observations are 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, and suppose I decided 30 is my assumed mean. Okay, 30 is my assumed mean, means A is 30. Then deviation is denoted by small d. Small d is equals to x minus A, means 10 minus 30. 10 minus 30 means minus 20. Okay, here minus 10, here 0, 10, 20. This is the deviation. Okay, we called it as a D. We have to assume one mean. How to assume mean? Okay, middle value or mean value. Okay, see, from this observation I select this one as a. Okay, then subtract A from each observation. We called it as a D. D means deviation. Okay, then find the sum of deviation. Find the sum of deviation means summation FD. Okay, and summation D. If they given only observation, we find the summation D. If they given frequency distribution, we find FD. Okay, then apply the formula. Which formula? For this formula is for only observation. If they given observation only, okay, then we use this formula. And if they given frequency distribution, we use this formula, A plus FD upon capital N. A is assumed mean. FD, from frequency distribution table we find out the FD, summation FD. This is summation FD upon capital N. Capital N means what? Summation F, total of frequency, and small n is the number of observation in the data. So this is for frequency distribution, FD. This formula is used for frequency distribution. Okay, very important formula. Okay, see the scenario. First decide the assumed mean, then subtract A from each observation. We called it as a deviation, D, small d. Find sum. Okay, means this one and this. Use formula. Okay, change the formula according to the data. If they given only observation, use this formula. If given a frequency distribution, use this formula. Okay, we'll go through the one example. See, this is the frequency distribution example. Calculate arithmetic mean for the following frequency distribution table. They given x values and corresponding frequency. We already solve this example by direct method. Direct method से हमने ये solve किया है. इसका answer है by direct method 111. In previous session also we solved this example 2286. Okay. X bar is 111.2286 is the answer. Okay, in the book okay, what they given? X values, F values. We have to solve this example by deviation method. Okay, what is the deviation method? What are the steps? First step is a assumed mean. Okay, what we have to do? Assume mean. How to assume the mean? See these values. These are nearer to 100. All values are nearer to 100. In the textbook, they decide A is 100. Okay, 100. And see, if I take here by my rule, left these two values, take 112. 112 is the assumed mean. In a textbook they used 100 as a assumed mean, and I take here 112 is my assumed mean. देखेंगे हम कि आंसर सेम आता है या नहीं. ओके, 112 is my assumed mean. Okay, now by steps. First decide assumed mean, done. Then what? D. D means what? X minus A. Prepare the column D. D is equal to X minus A. X is 103. 103 minus 112. It is minus 9. 110 minus 112. It is minus 2. 112 minus 112 is 0. 118 minus 112, it is 6. Okay. 95 minus 112, it is 17. Okay. This is my D column. Okay. N. Capital N is total of frequency. 4 plus 6 plus 10 plus 12 plus 3 is 35. Okay. Now find out FD. Okay. What is the formula for deviation? A plus summation FD upon capital N. A 112, capital N is 35. Okay. Now find FD. Okay. How to find FD? Product of these two. 9 into 4. It is minus 36. Minus 9 into 4. 6 into minus 2. So it is minus 12. 10 into 0. It is 0. 12 into 6. 72. 17 into 3. Minus 17 into 3 is minus 51. See in the formula what we required. We required summation FD. So find out summation FD. Put all values in the calci and find out. Minus 36 plus means minus 12 plus 72 minus 51. So it is minus 27. Okay, minus 27. Okay, put all values in the formula. X bar is equals to A. What is our A? 112 plus minus 27 divided by capital N is 35. Put all values in the calculator. 112. Okay. Minus, see, it is 0.77142. So required answer is 111.2286. See in the book they use assumed mean is 100. Okay, and I used here assumed mean is 112. So answer is same. Okay. See, by deviation method answer is also same. By direct method answer is same. Only calculations part is reduced by deviation method. Okay. Got it? Next is the step deviation method. Third method is step deviation method. In that calculation reduces. Okay. And generally step deviation method is applied to the continuous classes. Okay, if the given continuous classes, then we apply the step deviation method. Okay, decide A, same as deviation method. First decide A. A is what? Assumed mean. Assumed mean. From the observation we assume the mean. Then D, find the deviation. How to find D? X minus A. As in a previous example हमने देखा है कैसे फाइंड करना है. Okay, D equal to X minus A. It is called as a deviation. Now this is the newly added. It is D dash. D dash means what? Step deviation. Okay, D dash. D dash equal to D upon H. D is this D deviation. H is the class width. Okay, class width. H is the class width. We already studied about the width. Okay. So find d dash, then find summation f d dash and use the formula. What is the formula? See, this is the box. Already I told you, if I made a box, then it is the important formula. Okay, x bar is equals to a plus summation f d dash upon capital H into capital N into H. See, x bar is the mean. Okay, a is the assumed mean. Summation f d dash, from distribution table we find out the summation f d dash. Capital N is the total of frequency into H is the class width. Put all values in the formula and find out x bar. Okay, we'll go through the one example. Okay, this is the example of step deviation method. What is the question? Question is, the following is the distribution of monthly salaries of the employees of a firm. Compute arithmetic mean of salaries. Okay, what they given? They given class this class, and corresponding frequency. They given corresponding frequency. Later on I write here frequency. Okay, see what they given class. Okay, what is our formula? Formula is, for the step deviation, is a plus into the bracket summation f d dash upon capital N into H. So find out all values. Try to find out all values. Okay, first what we have to find? Assumed mean by step. Okay, go through the steps. First find assumed mean from the observation, but here is not observation, they given classes. Okay, so what we do here, we find the mid values. Okay, mid values, x, we denote it as a x, mid values x. We already studied about the mid values in the previous session. So mid, how to find the mid values? Formula for mid value is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 0 plus 500 divided by 2 is 250. Here 500 plus 1000 divided by is 750. Okay, then 1250, then 1750, then 2250, then 2750, then 3250, then 3750. These are the mid values. How to find mid values? Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Okay, these are x values. Now we get the x values. Now find out assumed mean. Okay, how to assume the mean? Okay, by using my trick, left 3 this, and from this 2 assumed any one value. Okay, which is our a. I assumed here a is the 1750. This one, this is my a. Okay, assumed mean. Okay, now next is what? Capital N. Capital N is total of frequency. Now they given frequency 2, 8, 12, 23, then 25, 20, 9, 1. Capital N is the total of frequency. It is 100. Okay, how to find? 2 plus 8 plus 12 plus 23 up to 1. It is 100. Okay, now H. What is H? Capital N is 100. What is H? H is the class width. Okay, what is the class width? Okay, it is the difference between two successive lower limits. See, what is the difference? 500. Here 1000 and 500. Here, what is the difference? 500. Or upper limit minus lower limit, it is 500. So class width is 500. Okay, difference between two successive lower limit is the class width. It is 500. Now this one is required, fd dash. Okay, how to find the fd dash? First find d by step. D is x minus a. Okay, small d, deviation, x minus a. Okay, x minus a means I decided this is my a, this is my a. Okay, now x 250 minus 1750, it is minus 1500. Okay, 750 minus 1750, it is 1000, minus 1000. Okay, then minus 500, 0, here 500. Okay, here 1000, next value is 1500, next value is 2000. Okay, now what we have to find here? D dash. How to find D dash? D dash equal to D upon H. Okay, go through the steps. D upon H. This is my D value. H is 500. So minus 1500 divided by 500. So it is minus 3. Okay. Next, 1000 divided by 500. It is minus 2. 500 divided by 500. It is minus 1. 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now, what we required? We required summation FD dash. See, FD dash. Product of these two column. Which one? This one and this one. Product of this two column. 2 into minus 3. So, it is minus 6. 8 into minus 2. So, it is minus 16. Next, minus 12. Next is 0. Next is 25. Next, 40. Next is 27. And the last is 4. We required total of FD dash. So it is 62. Addition of this column. Now, summation FD dash is 62. Put all values in the formula. X bar is equals to 1750 plus into the bracket 62 upon 100 into 500. Okay, after the calculation we get 1750 plus 310. X bar is equals to 2060 is the mean. Put all the values in the calculator and find out the X bar. Mean means middle of this data. See, 2060 is the middle of this data. So mean is 2060. By deviation method, we use deviation method for the continuous classes. If classes are given, we use the deviation method. See, this is all about mean. Okay, first method is direct method. Okay, in the direct method, first formula is summation x upon small n. It is for only observation. Okay, if they given only observation, we use this formula. Second, if they given frequency distribution, we use this formula for the direct method. Okay, if in a question they mention used deviation or step deviation, then only we use these formulas. Okay, otherwise go through this formula. Okay, this only direct method. Okay, next is deviation method. Deviation method, x bar is equals to a plus summation d upon small n for only observation. For frequency distribution, x bar is equals to a plus summation fd upon capital N for fd. Step deviation, this is the for observation for fd. Generally we use this formula. Okay, this is all about mean. So next is a combined mean. Next topic is a combined mean. In the textbook, they given merits and demerits of the arithmetic mean. Always ask in exam for 4 marks. So learn it from the book. It is very simple. merits and demerits of the arithmetic mean. I share the photo here. Next topic is mean of combined group. Suppose they given 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, only observation. Okay, we easily find the mean. X bar is equals to sum of x upon small n. Okay, if they given corresponding frequency related to this data, suppose 10, 20, 3, 4, 6. This is x, this is f. Then we use x bar is equals to summation fd upon capital N. Okay, this is the formula for this data. And suppose they given classes here. Suppose 500 to 1000, 1000 to up to dash dash they given. Suppose 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. What we use here, x bar is equals to a plus summation f d dash upon n into h, this formula. Okay, we already saw this. Okay, suppose they given two groups, then what we do? Suppose they given group 1 2 4 5 4 3 1 and group 2 suppose 3 2 9 8 3. Now for this groups we have to find x bar. How to find the combined mean of these two group? For this we see the mean of combined group. Okay, understood? The formula for this is, see, combined group is denoted by xc bar. Okay, what is the formula? N1 x1 bar plus N2 x2 bar upon N1 plus N2. Okay, always ask in exam, so prepared it. Okay, xc bar, combined mean is denoted by xc bar. Xc bar, what is N1? N1 is, see, where N1 is size of first group, size of first group. Okay, N2 is size of second group. Okay, x1 bar is mean of first group, mean of first group. Okay, x2 bar is mean of second group. Once we get all the values, put it in the formula and find out the xc bar. So it is very simple. We'll go through the one example. See, very simple example. Arithmetic mean of weight of 100 boys is 50 kg and arithmetic mean of 50 girls is 45 kg. Calculate mean of combined group. They given two group. One is for boys, one is for girl. Okay. Read the statement carefully. Okay. See, the 100 boys are there. So N1 is 100. First group. Okay. N2 is second group is for girls. So size of for second group is 50. N2 is 50. Okay. Arithmetic mean weight of 100 boys. Arithmetic mean weight means x1 bar is 50 kg, x2 bar is 45 kg. Okay, everything is given here. Use the formula. What is the formula? xc bar is equals to n1 x1 bar, n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar upon n1 plus n2. See, everything is given here. So 100 into 50 plus 50 into 45 divided by 100 plus 50. So put all values in the calci and find out. It is 7250 upon 150 and xc bar is equals to 48.3333 3. Okay, point. This is the point. Okay, this is the combined mean. It is very simple. Okay, our next topic is the median. Thank you. Please share and subscribe. If any doubt, any query, please comment. Okay, we will see in the next session median. Okay, thank you.